voice, you hear me? Yeah, I woke up getting money today. Mando put up in a yellow genie.
KS107.5 is in the house. They're trying to get people to get down here, register to vote, man. Get your asses down here and come and vote.
That's right, bro. And we're gonna do a whole vlog later on where us here in the shop, we're gonna sit down, we're gonna go over all the issues so that people can educate themselves on what we're voting on.
A lot of other issues on there that y'all need to pay attention to. So more than just vote for president at the same time, too.
That's right. So we're out here. KS107.5 is gonna be here from 12 to 2 today, getting people registered to vote. That's the first step, guys. You gotta be registered. You can't just show up. So
You gotta be in it to win it.
in it to win it.
What up, fam? It's Rosa. I'm here, Barbershop Uncut, the whole KS107.5 outside. We are registering people to vote today. Shout out to the Denver Alphas. We've teamed up with them. Also, Barbershop Uncut is hosting us. And like I said, it's so important. Please vote, vote, vote in November. We outside. We're going to be doing different locations all around the city, all the way up until the election date. So, like I said, please vote. Please vote. Please vote. Please vote. Please vote.
We are with Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated. The reason why we're out here is just to get people registered to vote, to be able to have their voices heard, to be able to promote change. We've been seeing all over the news and all over social media about what's been going on in the society now. We've been seeing what's been going on with the leadership in our country and how they've been handling everything that's been going on, from the pandemic to the police riots to the rioting downtown to people promoting change for Black Lives Matter. And what we need to do is we need to actually have people come together to vote. That's how our voices are heard, and that is how we actually promote change.
We'll register. We're gonna make a difference.
What's the process to get registered to vote?
So it's a pretty simple process, man. It's a VRD form that comes from the state. So for us to be able to do it, we have to be registered with the state and trained and take a test in order to come out and do this. And so essentially all you do is kind of fill out your identifying information. You have to verify that with a valid form of identification. Fill out your address, and it also gives you a part where you can declare or change your political affiliation while you're doing it. So like I say, man, it's about 6 to 9 steps, but it's pretty easy, man. Probably 5 minutes to do, and we just here to help you along the way if you have any questions and stuff. So that's essentially our part of it.
Melanin's kind of muddy. Never had my back if you silent about it public. They just pull strings on you characters. You a puppet.
The man, the myth, the legend. How you doing, bro?
I'm good, man. How y'all? Hey, man, we came to register to vote, man.
Guess all this snilling wasn't enough. It's not
all about change. You want to make change, man. You get in there and vote.
Yeah, this shit uncut. Broke boy, get your funds up. This shit uncut. Whole team putting numbers up. I gotta run it up. Yeah, broke boy, get your funds up. Yeah, this shit uncut. Whole team putting numbers up. I hit the game.